Burntwood is a historic town in Staffordshire, England, located about 4 miles west of Lichfield in the West Midlands region and just northeast of Brownhills. It sits on the edge of the Cannock Chase countryside and forms one of the largest urbanised civil parishes in England, with a population of around 26,000. Burntwood's character changed dramatically with the arrival of coal mining in the mid-1800s. Villages like Chasetown and Chase Terrace grew up around new pits and quickly expanded as miners and their families moved in. The mining industry shaped the town for over a century, and even though the pits closed in the mid-20th century, that heritage still echoes in the layout and local culture of the area. One quirky piece of trivia is that Burntwood is home to Prince's Park, which is recorded in the Guinness Book of Records as the smallest park in the United Kingdom, created in the 1860s to celebrate the marriage of the Prince of Wales. It even has 3 trees named Faith, Hope and Charity within its tiny grounds. The town also has an interesting connection to one of the most important archaeological finds in English history. In 2009, a local man discovered the Staffordshire Hoard, the largest collection of Anglo-Saxon gold and silver ever found in a nearby field. Another notable piece of Burntwood's past is St Matthew's Hospital, originally the Burntwood Asylum, built in 1864. This large Victorian mental health institution once housed well over 1,000 patients and had its own farm, bakery and gardens before finally closing in 1995. Today the site has largely been redeveloped into housing. Today, Burntwood blends its historical roots with modern residential life, surrounded by green spaces, local shops, parks and easy access to places like Cannock Chase Country Park, which is great for nature walks, cycling and water sports. It's a place where old stories, industrial heritage and community spirit all come together, making it a fascinating subject for a video.